Peter and the Lost Planet. In a distant galaxy where stars danced in the sky and planets orbited in harmony, there lived a brave little boy named Peter. Peter was not only curious about the world, but also full of energy and ideas. He lived on a space station called Galactic Adventure, where he discovered new cosmic mysteries every day. One day, while Peter was examining star maps, he noticed something alarming. One of the planets, the planet of friendship, had disappeared. Without this planet, the entire star system could fall apart. Peter decided he must find it and restore it to its rightful place. Peter embarked on a journey in his spacecraft, the Star Explorer. However, it wasn't long before he encountered his first obstacles. Asteroids appeared in space, blocking his way. Peter felt frustrated. Why does something always have to get in the way? He thought, hitting the console with his fist. Then a hologram of his friend, the robot Astro, appeared on the screen. Peter, remember that you need to be patient and find a way to overcome the obstacles. Hitting the console won't help. Peter took a deep breath and began to think. Maybe if I use lasers, I can break the asteroids into smaller pieces. And indeed, after a few attempts, he succeeded. Peter learned that patience and calmness help solve problems. During his continued journey, Peter encountered a group of cosmic creatures that looked like giant, colorful butterflies. They were beautiful, but also very unpredictable. Peter tried to chase them away, but they only came closer. He started to get nervous and shouted. But that only made the situation worse. Astro appeared on the screen again. Peter, try approaching them calmly and respectfully. Maybe they just want to get to know you. Peter took a deep breath and tried to approach the butterflies calmly. He started speaking to them in a gentle voice and extended his hand, showing he meant no harm. The butterflies began to circle around him and then flew away, clearing his path. Peter realized that sometimes it's worth being understanding and calm with others. After many days of travel, Peter reached the edge of the galaxy. There, in the darkness, he saw something shining. It was the planet of friendship, but it was surrounded by swirling black holes, which sucked in everything that came near. Peter felt helpless. How am I supposed to get there? It's impossible, he thought. Then he remembered all the lessons he had learned during his journey. He decided to try again, but this time with patience and calmness. Peter began analyzing the movements of the black holes and noticed there was a moment when he could safely fly between them. He focused, took a deep breath, and set off. After a tense moment, he managed to reach the planet. Peter restored the planet of friendship to its place, and the entire star system began to function harmoniously again. He returned to the space station, where everyone awaited him joyfully. He understood that patience, understanding, and calmness can overcome even the toughest obstacles. His family and friends were very proud of him. Peter felt that he was now a better and wiser boy, ready for more adventures in space. Upon returning, Peter sat down with Astro and started talking about his journey. I learned that shouting and anger don't help solve problems. I need to be patient and understanding, even when things are tough. Astro smiled. Exactly, Peter. Sometimes the biggest obstacles are within ourselves, and the key to overcoming them is calmness and understanding. Peter looked at the stars and felt ready for whatever the future might bring. Peter learned that patience, calmness, and understanding are crucial in overcoming difficulties. Thanks to these qualities, he returned from his journey as a better and wiser boy, ready for more adventures. You too can learn to handle difficult emotions and situations, just like Peter. Remember, it's always worth being patient and understanding with others and yourself.